I always had this rule to keep this channel culturally neutral, but today I'm gonna break that rule. Let's rewind back 3 days. I was invited to the Orange Blossom Festival in Adana to document Pakistan's participation in the international stalls. The festival itself takes place in Adana every spring because that's the time when the orange trees blossom, and let me tell you that Adana is literally full of them. So I was like, hell yes. And so began the 5-hour journey from Ankara to the south of Turkey. This is Ibrahim, by the way, my best freaking friend forever, hopefully. It's a great thing we're going together because now the fun will be like doubled. We goofed around during the journey, but by the time we reached Adana, we were so tired that we went straight to sleep. So here's the deal. We had one goal at the carnival: represent and promote the country, which is why I changed to the traditional shalwar kameez. We had 3 stalls, and to be honest, all of them were a success. From getting henna painted on their hands and arms, to cultural objects, and especially the clothes, to tasting biryani, and even the gallery. The people seem to have interest in every single aspect. After my work was done, we decided to explore the rest of the carnival, and I gotta tell you that we had some pretty fun moments in there.
I think it's all in my head, but how can I know? Said I'll see you again when I know I won't. Falling down from the start, now I'm on my head, looking up where you are, starting again. Wanted to feel, wanted to hold, wanted to know.
The whole vibe of the carnival was pretty soothing, but sometimes it got crazy. And so the first day came to an end. It was fun, but tomorrow there was gonna be something even bigger. I seemed to be running late, but reached in time for probably the biggest event of the whole carnival: the procession. It was crazy. It was like the whole city had come out on the streets, and everyone seemed to be like really excited. It was like joy all around us. We spent our last night in Adana doing silly stuff, and to be honest, I just wanted to live in the moment, trying to forget the fact that we had to leave this beautiful place tomorrow. last day in Adana. We're wrapping up the whole stall. I'm not wearing my shalwar kameez anymore. And yeah, we're off to visiting some sites in Adana before we leave. One more thing about Adana, I don't know if it was because we were wearing the traditional clothes, but the people were like so welcoming. Also, I'm a bit disappointed. I don't know if I should use that word, but all the same, I think we didn't get to experience Adana to its full potential. You know what I mean? But we were here for the festival anyways, so at least we got to experience that, you know? But there was like so much to do in here, from concerts to the stalls and food. So I think in a way we did get to experience Adana. Now, March 27th, finally, it's a wrap. We went to the Seyhan barrage, had a few fun moments, and I realized I'd already grown so attached to Adana, I didn't want to return. I just wanted these moments to go on, but of course, even the best parts of life have to end. And so did this.